attack. Attack, attack. What them a go do ya now? No link on the attack now. Attack. Bring a old chain setter. No link. Attack.
What now so the family could like get a disclosure?
You know what she doing? She's going all over the place, you know.
She gone for a good little minute, you know?
No, she swallow.
She swallow. Job.
Bless up now, my viewers and subscribers. Big up to yourself, man. You don't know the thing going on, man. The attacking boss, they are my people in full force. New Link from New Link Production. So, that little piece of clip, something that when me show this at the front of the video, my people. Yeah, that video that wish me have to blur out a whole heap of something people and hide a whole heap of something people, because it's the nude body of a female, my people. Zane, who was found in a decomposed condition, my people, over there in Barbados. Zane, and when them do the checks and thing, my people, them found out that she was a Jamaican national, or she is a Jamaican national, my people. Zine, so this discovery of this body, people, was made on Monday. Yeah, that's a Monday gone, my people. Zine, and Monday would have been the 2nd of August 2021. So, when them do more checks and everything, people, investigations conduct, them say is a female who went over there in Barbados now, my people. You know what I mean? And she was doing her, boy, I mean, even want to say it, people, but she was doing her prosty job, my viewers and subscribers, if I want to say it that way, they understand. She was doing her prostate job. So on Monday, the police them say over there in Barbados, 911 emergency, receive a call, you understand, in an era where a female call and say, yo, them stumble up on a body at an abandoned house with people. And when them go down now, my viewers and subscribers, boy, me I tell us, when me see the video, my people, only just sees and knows. See? Boy, body swell big, some people. Nah, like, you know, say body was there for a couple of days and a beer fly and something because it's in a decomposed state, my people. You understand? Yeah, rotten. You know what I mean? And them something that start going, people. And a lot of people know this female, Zane, and them know that she was a hustler in the street over there in Barbados who do our little thing, people, because we don't know the thing go. A lot of people may left Jamaica and them go choose an occupation. Some people left people and them go to another island for a different thing. Which me now go lick out and say, yo, what kind of thing that you're worthless or this and that you should never go on to these people. You understand? Me can't judge and say, yo, you see it? That's up to them. That's how them choose my people and thing, and it just sad for know what can go on. But based on information when I receive people, is that like man go there and do things with her and think people, and boy, like things never turn out the right way, and the man then comes about and take her 3 points. Seeing, because when them find our people, our body was partially nude. You get what me I say? Seeing? And we see them things happen at Jamaica before. Like a woman who do them type of job, the people we used to them find them on beach, we used to them find them in a this with too much taboons and this and that, people. And see there over Barbados this happen. Seeing? Jamaican girl gone. And when I go up on social media, people and I look and I see where a lot of people are pour out them condolences and say, yo, she was a nice girl, very entertaining girl who always run her joke and them something, the people who knew her in Jamaica and over Barbados, people, and have all the little thing to say about her, people, but only just sees and he knows. Zane, it's just sad if you know, say, yo, you know, life is so rough, life is so tough where a man have to go out there and do certain things, you know what I mean, for earn a living. And them something you will go on right around the globe, people. See? Them something. So when a man go lick out pan with female, the man I say, yo, what kind of thing that you choose? You gonna do this, you gonna do that, people. Honestly, me not go against and lick out and disrespect and this nobody who do them thing of people, because I don't know what problems she have, people. I don't know what difficulty she in. With some people I go look on her and I say, yo, you know she have problems, she could have do like enough people I do. You understand? Choose a 9 to 5, you know what I mean? But people, some people just make a different choices in their life, and me now go drop no attack and say, yo, attack fear if you go do that, there's something there. Attack fear if you do this. No. All me ever say is, people, I'm sorry, it reached to a point in our life where things have reached a way the way she have to go out there and do that, and for know say by doing that same thing they cause her 3 points to take away from her. It's a sad situation, my people. But honestly, me can't come on, you know what I mean, this or up or them something, the people. No, me can't do that. See? But just for the wicked one, them, because you have some really, it's a look dirty thinking man out there, you people. Not joke about it, you know. See? Imagine them comes about conduct them whatever them do people with her. See? Anybody at all who do them something in the street, big up on yourself, because me are the attacking boss. Big up on yourself. Woman in the street who hustle. Big up on yourself. You understand? Yeah, because we not smart the picnic too. I mean, I got this and one so on. You understand? Big up on yourself. Just be careful. But, me I say people, y'all saw real thinking sitting out there. See? They come some boom now, get what them want people and do what they want. Do what the human them. And when them feel like when them done people, because them done negotiate for your price. Some of them, you understand? Some woman may take before them go do them things. Some may not. They may not know how them do them thing, people. But basically when them done people, them not want to make no payment. Or something may go done while them do them thing. Maybe them not please or whatever, people. But yeah, buy pussy in a bag. Zane, and I like see something where you go buy, where you done sample it already. And if you do sample it already, you know, remember, you know, if you sample it a couple days ago and it was good, you know, you can't go there today and it not good. Zane, but some people now think like that, my viewers and subscribers, and that's the way. But one thing I can't say to people, Zane, with some of them, man, you don't feel like you don't want to go out there now and go buy the woman them salt. To the man over there in the Barbados, me talk now. Zane, we're going to take the woman 3 points. Because when a salt deal went wrong, Zane, wet salt deal went wrong. But when you feel like say now, when you can't go out there now, make on a deal, make on an arrangement with one of them Jamaica hot-head over Barbados, female I'm talking, you understand? And then when things go the other way now, when you feel like when you walk come take the woman them 3 points like that. You say, oh no? Me are telling you say no man, that's some beat now attack for you know. Eh? A real thing me attack people as some beat now attack for them. Because of cruelness them do. Me say the man then comes about people around and they look all abandoned house. And left the woman body there so. Eh? Left it there for a couple days well people because when me look on one side people honestly, me say yo, I bus ready for bus, you know. Zane, it swell up like a yo, me never want to say breadfruit, but it swell people and not a joke thing, a real thing me attack. Zane, that does so me can't show the thing yeah so. Zane, I mean if I can't send you out on Instagram because I don't tell you how the thing go. Some people basically what me are showing the people. Come so boom, link me for video people and enough of them are spy under these guys. Because when they do send the video go give them people like them a report. But the thing them send you link and send them. You understand? Because if you never know any views and subscribers, Zane, the way IG set up now people, your message there never private. When it comes to when you send somebody something through message people, then can report when you send them through message, you know. Zane, and when they report them thing, they just find out say IG all a shut down, a lock down people. And that me I get to find out. So that's why me can't come so boom, me have to stop say, you know, I ain't sending no more video through IG people. A real thing me I tell you now. Zane, me have to protect my thing now. You know what I mean? Anybody want message me for business or, you know, follow the IG, do this, but people, certain things you just have to cut out because you know, we know the good have to go suffer for your body now. We know that situation they go. So who have the WhatsApp or you check look below in the description. Saying if you not see it on the video at the time, check for your next video looking at the description. You will see the number down there, WhatsApp, link up there so and if you say WhatsApp the video, yes, WhatsApp is different. You can get it from me half time. See? But for certain other things, people, I can't. See? But me I tell you say the boy them do that thing are some wicked sin thing them man. Wicked. Take out the look of the female 3 points over there in the Barbados people. And Jaja sees and Jaja knows. But the people, big up on yourself. The attacking boss they in full force giving thanks to life as usual. I don't know the thing go. If you don't subscribe, please do subscribe now and hit up that notification bell so as I drop a video you'll get them people. Peace, love, respect every time. Big up, don't know.